and today is our 6th day of our trip, and today we will check out from Club Mahindra Kumbhalgarh.
So first I would say that this property is very big, very big. I explored I guess 50% of this, and which was 2 kilometers here. It is almost 2 kilometers, 1.8 kilometers. Say that in Rajasthan it would be very hot, but in Kumbhalgarh the climate is very dry and also it is sunlight, which is giving us a hot climate, but at the same time the climate is also cool. For adults and big children, they have cricket court, badminton court, and archery court.
All of us are having Maggie in our
Outside.
balcony. So
I love Maggie.
सो यहाँ से अगर राइट लेंगे तो कुंभलगढ़, हम लोग अभी लेफ्ट जा रहे हैं जो कि रणकपुर की तरफ निकले हैं कुंभलगढ़ से. दिस इज अराउंड 60 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम दिस रोड. इट्स अ वेरी नैरो रोड going through the forest and the villages. We are going by the Saira village. So we stopped by village temple. Mahadev ji ka mandir hai. If you can see here the scenic beauty over here, the temple is just situated below the mountain area, and it's really windy and climate is superb. So guys, you can see here we are completely into the mountain range. Just 2 minutes before we covered the village Sierra, and after the village there is nothing. It is completely mountain range till you go to Ranakpur. So it is advisable that you should take some water bottles and food with you. So if anything happens, for say your car breaks down or something, at least you have some backup over here. So just a precautionary measure you have to take. So finally we are at the famous Ranakpur Jain temple. It took us around 1 hour time, and the journey was splendid. So this is the ticket counter.
So So guys, we came to this Jain temple, and we are just taking a walk around in this temple. And if you see here, there are like a lot of pillars here.
I guess there are more than 1,000 pillars, and the foundation also is in these pillars only, and the structure is just amazing. It is magnificent. Don't know how did it, but yeah, the designs are just great.
It took us around 45 minutes to have the complete visit of the temple. पे भोजनशाला mention है. You can see the भोजनशाला here. I'm trying to find out if you can have something over here for lunch. We got very lucky and we got the bhojan here. Prasad. We can have rice, dal, moong dal, and then roti and so many things. 75 rupees per plate.
So guys, as you saw that we did our lunch in the Jain temple. Now we are going to Jodhpur, and in Jodhpur we will directly go to the Umaid Bhawan Palace because it closes at 6 o'clock. And after seeing the Umaid Bhawan Palace, we'll check in our hotel. And while going to Jodhpur, there is a Bullet Baba temple in the on the way, so we'll visit that also and go. Guys, we reached our hotel, and here you can see the view of Mehrangarh Fort, the specialty of this hotel. And this is the Krishna Heritage Hotel near the Great Clock Tower in Jodhpur. All the details will be in the description. So guys, this is our room here, and you can see this is in a kind of antique style. And here you get a window AC, 2 single beds, means double bed, which are very soft. And here you get the bathroom, and in the opposite side if you see, there is a makeup table and with a cupboard. and a TV also, and here you get a fridge. Here a table lamp, and this is the cupboard. So the cupboard is very good. There is a little darkness in the room, so I cannot show you the cupboard properly, but yeah, it is good. Here you get a all out also for preventing mosquitoes and all, and here you get that landline, and here you get two sofas. There is no paint because it is in an antique kind of style.
So we are at Aurora Namkeen now, famous for Shah Samosa. This is just near to the Bhattagar. Here we ordered samosa and this is a bhaji. Okay. So some chaat here.
Palak chaat.
This is for palak chaat. So this is a mawa samosa. The samosa is actually very sweet. So inside this, if you see here, this is mawa, or we can call it as a khoa. And then there are some lot of dry fruits also there. And this is purely made of desi ghee. This costs around 30 rupees.
There you can see the fort. I guess yeah, that's the fort there.
So guys, with a very good dinner at this restaurant, the day 6 ends here. Tomorrow we will visit more sightseeings in Jodhpur, followed by the journey of Mount Abu. Till then, goodbye.